Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about do while loop. Do while loop is similar to the while loop. The only difference is in while loop the condition is tested first. If that condition is true, then only execute the block of statements. But in this case of do while loop, no matter what the condition is, once the statements inside the loop is executed and at last the condition tested. If the condition is satisfied, execute the looping statements again, else terminate the loop. That's the only difference in between while and do while loop. Okay, let's see the syntax of the do while loop. In do while loop, as in while loop, initialization is done before, and this do statements indicates that do while loop is going to be started, and the block of codes in between two curly braces indicates that these are the statements that needs to be iterated. And increment is decrement is done inside the loop as in while loop, and see the difference. In while loop, this condition was tested in place of this do keyword. That means if this statements is true, then only execute this block of looping statements. Else, don't execute these looping statements. But in this case, at first, these looping statements are executed once. Then this condition is tested. If this condition is true, then execute this block of statements again. If this is false, go for executing further statements below the do while loop. These are the differences between while and do while loop. Okay, let's see one example to have a clear concept of do while loop. Here is one example. Here I'm creating one integer variable I and assigning the value 4. The do while loop here. These two keywords indicates the starting of do while loop. Here I'm going to print hello. Repeated these statements again and again. And here I'm incrementing the value of I by 1. Since the value of I was 4 in the beginning, now after implementation the value of I becomes 5. And while checking these statements, what we know is that while I is less than 5, that is 5 is less than 5, which indicates that this statement is false, so that this do while loop is terminated. If I write here 7, then what will happen? 5 is less than 7, so this statement is true, so execute these statements again. Let's execute this program and see these things. Word and run. See, hello is printed once. Now I'll change the value of 5 to 7. Now the hello will be printed for 3 times. Hello, hello, hello. Okay guys, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, you can contact us through our website or you can comment us in our Facebook page. Thank you.